So, Alina, how does it feel to watch yourself and the delivery again?
Too much to be more babies.
Well, babies are gone by this point. Can you still kind of put yourself in that place over a week ago?
Yeah.
Actually, it's exactly a week ago. Can you still feel the pain?
I was numb at that time.
Oh, so there's no pain.
I can still remember the puking. The pain of the puking.
How does it feel when you watch the babies come out again?
Oh, the Apgar. Okay, see.
How does it feel when you saw the babies come out again?
I miss them.
Well, they'll be here tomorrow.
I know, I hope so.